In this video, we're going to talk about posting your own videos to the Healing Arts Alliance website. The videos can be found on the homepage at the bottom. Here at the very bottom, we have a section for newest videos, but they can also show up on your profile. So here are two videos that I've just recently posted. So if I click on watch video, you'll see what it looks like. Basically looks kind of like an article entry that is actually a video. So how do you post videos on your profile? So let's go over to our profile here, edit listing. And again, in the add content section, you can click on video to immediately start adding a new video. Or on the left, you can go to videos and view a listing of all of your videos. So you see here, I have this one's been published, but I have several in draft mode. That's because I don't want to post too many right now to take up that whole video space on the homepage. So saving these for later, and we'll publish them later. But let's go through the process of adding a new video. So I'm going to click add a new video here on the top. And probably familiar with this layout by now from the articles and posting events. But here's where I can set it to publish or keep it in draft mode. So we'll leave it there. So I have the video that I'm going to post on YouTube. So you see here is you can use a YouTube video or Vimeo video, and you just copy and paste the link in here to post your video. So I have that pulled up on my other screen here. So I'm just going to copy that over. So here's the link for the video, and then I'm just going to copy we'll put in a title here. This one is about posting here, let's call it posting community articles. All right, and so smart tags, I've been tagging these videos so that people can find them all by clicking on the tag. I've been tagging them all with member tutorial. And these are videos, they're educational videos. They don't really have a location related to them, so I'll skip that part. And then here in the description, been keeping this very simple. I'm going to copy this again from the YouTube description. Just paste that in there. Just for consistency, what I've been doing with all of these, I've been making this sentence italicized, so I'll do that here. And then we'll leave that as is. So now I have my title in. Oh, I didn't select a category. I've been listing these under educational videos because that's what they are. So we'll put educational videos here. So now I have my title, my category, the link to my video, a tag that people can use to find my related videos. And then I have a short description here. I don't want to post this one just yet. So I'm just going to leave this published set to no. And I'm going to scroll to the bottom and click Save Changes. All right, so video has been saved. Let's go back to our list of videos. And so now you'll see I have a lot of videos here that are in draft mode. And so we're going to go ahead and post one of them. And we're going to do that by clicking on Actions here. And we'll go to Edit. And then from here, all we have to do is switch this over to Yes. Everything's already been set up. I already have this saved. And so we'll just come down and click Save Changes. And now this video, which is about managing your profile photo, has now been posted to the front of the website. So if I click View Post here, it'll take us to the listing or the video. And so we can watch the video here. And then if we go to the home page, since it was just published, if we scroll to the bottom, we'll see it now shows up here at the bottom. So that's how you publish videos from your Healing Arts member profile.